Hey guys, welcome to the second part of user research methods. In today's video, we'll cover the field studies and data analysis. In the last video, I talked about user interview and user survey. So just in case if you have missed the last video, below is a description for the user research methods 1. So before we start, just one request guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and you can give your comments below. So let's start. Field studies. What is field studies? A field study is a general method for collecting data about users, their needs, and product requirements that involves observation and interviewing. So, data is collected about task flows, inefficiencies, and the organizational and physical environment of the users. Here are some key benefits of field studies or key highlights of field studies. One of them is direct observation. Focus on specific area of interest or accurate observation. So let's see the procedure of field studies. The first one is, and the most important, planning. So define study objective and requirements, the place where you'll be conducting the study and people who will be observed. Second is pilot run. Run a pilot observation session to get a feel of what to expect and test out any observation sheets. Try to be as unobstructive as possible. And the third one, summarize. So data analysis and reporting. Analyze, summarize and report in relation to the objectives set out at the start. So now let's see the fourth method, that is data analysis. So web analytics or data analysis is a measurement, collection, analysis and reporting of internet data for purpose of understanding and optimizing web usage. Some key highlights of data analysis is identifying the data needs, like what info and data is useful for defining the problem. Second is gather the data or collecting the requisite data from various data sources. And third would be analyzing the data. Cross-reference the raw data to find patterns or correlations. And the last is the report part. Review what you earned or what you have pointed, the notes, and did it match to your hypothesis? What patterns emerged at the end? So just gather all the data and create the report at the end of your study. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you liked my video. If you have any queries or concerns or any feedback pertaining to your understanding, please comment below in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.